Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you use custom fields inside of the Go HighLevel dashboards. Now for this video, I'm going to be using an example of a ticketing system that I had already built inside of HighLevel. So you can see under the opportunities that we have these different tickets across different stages. And if I want to show them in the dashboard using the custom fields, how can I do that? So for that, let's head over to the dashboard right here. And here you can see that I've already set up a basic dashboard, which is telling me how many tickets are in what stage. So that gives me a bird's eye view of the whole thing. Now, let's say we potentially want to create a table that shows the ticket number, the issue that was raised, and if there was a resolution, we want to show that too. So that table will give a really good idea to a manager who is overlooking the support side. So let's go ahead and see how we'll do that. Now I'm going to click on Add Widget here. And then I'm going to use this table chart type. And then I'm going to head over to opportunities and then go to opportunity count. You could also use these custom fields with contacts if you want, but because I have my ticketing system built up using the opportunities, so I'm going to go ahead and use the opportunity count, and then you will see select columns. So I'll go ahead and click on that. So my ticket numbers are opportunity names. So then I do not want these bits here. So I'll leave them as it is. So I will take these away. The only things that I want is the opportunity name, then the stage. Tags is also fine. We could have that. And then I do want some custom opportunity fields that I created. So I do have them here. You can see support ticket details. That shows the details of the issue. And then we have the ticket resolution. And this will work the same way with contact custom fields if you're using that. So I think these are fine for now. I could also include a ticket loom link because that is a part of the opportunities here if we want. So let's just go ahead and see how this would work. So I've selected all of these. I'm going to click on apply columns, and then we could order them by opportunity name. That is okay. And then here we can call it tickets overview or something along those lines, right? Now we just have to go ahead and click on save, and it should create a nice table here. So you can see I have all my tickets here towards the left. Then it tells me the stage. I do have the tags. I could potentially take that away. We don't need the tags here. So I'll just save it again. Okay, so now we can see opportunity names, the assigned user, the stage, ticket resolution, the details, and the loom link if we have that. So you can see how helpful it can be. We can also browse through different pages here. And this will be amazing for any manager or supervisor to take a look at this and then see what's exactly going on inside the support team, right? And this is just one example on how you can use custom fields or opportunity fields inside of this. But of course, you can use these types of widgets across any business. And I hope it provided you some ideas on how you can play around with this and really get a solid dashboard using the custom fields. That was about this video. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.